Hi, I'm Raksha, and this is the pool villa that I'm staying at, surrounded by coffee plantations in Karnataka, not in Coorg, not in Chikmagalur, but in Sakleshpur. This is Trishvam Tapovana, a brand new luxury property, and in this video, I'll show you what it's like to stay here. Get ready because you're in for an adventure. But first, let's catch up. So we drove down from Bangalore to Sakleshpur and the roads are so good, so there's no issues there. On the other hand, you could also take a train, Vande Bharat from Bangalore to Sakleshpur. The views will be really good, so that's also an option. And the best part is it's just 4 hours, so in 4 hours you could be in Sakleshpur in the midst of a coffee plantation. So that is where we are staying at Trishvam Tapovana. My first impressions of this property is that it's just so nice to be around nature, around so much greenery, away from all the the hustle and bustle of the city. Let me show you the iconic pool villa at Trishvam Tapovana. You're in for a treat. So there are 2 rooms here. There's one room here and another one here. Come on in. So this is a 4-poster bed, and there are some really traditional elements that I really like this one. In an era of modernity where we are losing these traditional things, it's really nice to see them making a comeback. I'm happy about that. Because I like you, let me give you a sneak peek of the pool. How gorgeous is that? And it's overlooking the plantations and the forest. I can see greenery all throughout. It's magnificent. It's actually bigger than I expected. Last night I was here lounging in the pool, watching the sky full of stars, and it's so beautiful, so magical. This is the first time that I'm actually staying in a pool villa. It is so cool. It's so precious. I would love to own a home with a pool someday. That's my dream. Alright, now that we've explored a pool villa, let me show you another type of villa which is also my favorite. It's called Totti Mane. There's a tree right inside the villa. That's so cool. So this villa has a traditional courtyard which reminds me of the ancestral homes in Karnataka, and it's really cool to see these traditional styles in a luxury property. There are 4 rooms here, so if you're coming in a big group or with your family, you could actually stay here. And at the same time, it would give you privacy and also be intimate with your group. Now I'm heading towards the pool, but let me give you some brief about where I'm staying right now. So first of all, Trishvam Tapovana is situated in a 40-acre coffee plantation. So from what I've heard, it's owned by a group of IT people, and they found it hard to maintain, and which is why they actually leased the property to TGI Group of Hotels. TGI Group of Hotels is actually a well-known brand, and they have properties all over India like Ooty, Udaipur, Kodaikanal, to name a few. Something I really liked about this property is that the villas are quite spaced apart, so it gives you a lot of privacy as well. There are activities that you could do here like rope walking, which you see behind me. So that is rope walking, and you could do a plantation tour, nature walk, and within Sakleshpur you could go to Agni-Gudda and hidden waterfalls in Kadumane estate, which we are planning to do. So this is my friend who's also Raksha, and you have seen her before on this channel. We like to go on scuba diving trips together. What do you think about this property?
Oh, it's absolutely stunning property in the middle of nature. It's all green and it's so pretty.
Check out this infinity pool. It's so gorgeous. So you could actually see the plantations and the Kadumane estate, which is a 2,000-acre estate from here, and it's just complete greenery. I don't see any properties, any buildings. It's mostly just surrounded by greenery. So imagine yourself just standing on the ledge or swimming here, surrounded by this kind of serene atmosphere. Oh, the infinity pool is so amazing, but it's actually cold, the water right now. Because even though it's almost close to 10 a.m. in the morning, Sakleshpur weather is so pleasant that you hardly see any sunlight, and because of that, the water is cold right now. It will get better in the evenings. I love it. All the swimming and the cold has made me hungry now. Let's go grab some breakfast. And there are a lot of options here actually, a lot of fruits, breads and Indian food, Indian breakfast. So I got some idli and vada and also there is neer dosa and dosa in the normal counter. I would have tried neer dosa but not something I like. But I'm going to try masala dosa from there, and the food here is generally really good. So let's dig in. So we just finished breakfast and we have a whole lot of activities planned for today. So first we are going to do a trek and then waterfalls, and then we come back to the property and they have some activities here. So packed with stuff today, and I'll show you around, so stay tuned. Hi Apachu.
Hi, namaskar, morning.
He's from Coorg and he's taking us around to the trek. How long is the trek?
This trek we started now. It goes
Okay.
for 1 hour, one and a half hour.
One and a half hour.
To the peak and coming back.
Okay.
And that part you can see, once you reach the top of a peak, that part looks like a Switzerland, 100%.
Really? Okay.
Yes, 100%.
We'll have to verify it now.
Sakleshpur, basically the second largest rainfall
in
Karnataka. Yeah.
Raksha, how was the trek?
Oh, it was very beautiful. It's an easy trek, so it is very convenient to get here, and it is extremely pretty. So you can get on to one of the Western Ghats mountains without actually doing a strenuous trek.
You know what? So I can see the resort there, and we came all the way from there to here. And before that we were in Agni-Gudda, and now we are in Moorkannina Gudda. And you can see Ettina Bhuja over there. Do you think you see Switzerland here? Let me know in the comments below. The water is so cold. We passed through a stream and now we are going through a forest to actually reach the waterfall, and for some reason I feel like this is gonna be a good experience, even though I have no idea what it's gonna look like. So we are about to go for a massage. So they have a Nirvana Ayurveda spa, and they do have Ayurvedic treatments, of course, and the steam and sauna. So yeah, let's check it out what it's like. Hi. Your name? Momita. Okay, so we are going for the Abhyanga classic Ayurvedic massage. It's going to be for 60 minutes. So yeah, let's get started.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Momita. बहुत ही अच्छा था massage. It's the best Ayurvedic massage I've gotten.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. I drifted off to sleep, you know, and when that happens, I know that I was very relaxed. So if you are coming to Trishvam Tapovana, I would highly recommend you to get a Ayurvedic massage. Now we are heading to have some chats.
पानी पूरी है,
अच्छा.
दही पूरी है, दही भल्ला है, पापड़ी चाट है, और उस साइड टी है, कॉफ़ी है और चिल्ली भजिया है.
Thank you. Pani puri. I cannot eat pani puri faster, but it's actually good. I really like the pani. It is very flavorful. I love sukha puri, and this is so good. Perfect. These are actually coffee class.
Oh really?
It smells like really malige. It's so similar. So now we are heading back to Bangalore. Raksha, how was your experience at Trishvam Tapovana?
Oh, it was really beautiful, and I think it was the best 2 nights that we had there,
Yeah.
especially the pool villa. Oh my god, it was a highlight.
That was definitely a highlight. The hospitality was really good. The food was actually delicious. There was some local food there. Yeah, overall, I think it was a very nice experience for us. Definitely recommend.